learned from Ricky Javier that you are good in DIY. So I'm looking for the guy for DIY.
I'm your man.
So you can do it.
Held off. He did a lot, didn't he? He got involved in all this in the 80s, and he's got sick of it. He's moved on. I don't hear about him coming here anymore because you feel like, what can you do? What can you do? How can you sort this out?
You're going to break down a house and rebuild it from scratch.
Is this just water, or is that...
Everything that you're not thinking of. We'll need to meet the family first. Cow.
How you doing? Hello? Hello? Little fella? Hello? Hello?
This is where it starts.
Give loads of charity. Helping old people. Deaf kids. Save the kids. If anything, I'd say I'm single-handedly causing the world's population problems because I'm saving everyone. I'm like Superman. Sure we got the right house? Quite happy helping out. I help anyone out. Someone needs a bit of help. But me turning up for one day, doing a bit of DIY, is that really going to sort this out? That's that forever. Look how many need to be replaced. 600,000 people live here, you say? Apparently the rules are you're meant to build your own. But there's people we're helping today are ill, so they need help to build their house. I don't know where they went. I sort of shook their hands and said, I'm going to build your house. They disappeared. Can help me there.
He's been lying on a bed in the corner there.
Has he? Can you imagine being ill and there's someone coming out and knocking your house down? Well, hang on a minute. Just leave me, let me be. I want peace and quiet. It's got the builders in making the right racket. Right balls up on that one. Not the greatest view, is it? It's alright, isn't it? Steve, it's Carl.
Did some charity work?
Yeah, I got it done. I got the hop done. There's about another 600,000 to do, so I don't quite understand what I was meant to get out of it.
All you're doing is just helping others because that's a good and honourable thing to do.
Yeah, but I do that. When I get back, I'm going to show you my bank statement, and you'll see all this stuff flying out left, right and centre, helping all these other charities.
But Carl, don't you understand the difference between a little bit of money dribbling out of your account once a month and actually getting down there, your hands dirty?
When was the last time you were over here, Steve, getting your hands dirty? I can't remember you saying, when were you here again?
I'm asking you because you know, you're on the ground floor.
What I've done, I've built a nice new, shiny hut where the old hut was. There's still a river of shit whizzing past it.
You know what, mate, you are. You changed my mind, Carl. All these years I've been thinking it was good to help other people, but you know what, talking to you for 2 minutes on this phone, I realised, no, Carl is absolutely bloody right. I'm cancelling all of my standing orders. Forget it.
No, I'm not saying that. What have I been saying? I'm just telling you what I've seen with my own eyes. What more can I do? I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just a bit of frustration. And I just feel that just because I build one hut, it's not enough. Here's something. Do you know we had an argument with him once over 50 pence? We talk about Steve and money, 50 pence. I got some coffees walked over, so where's my change? So that was in my pocket. Oh, that's mine. I mean, I big, honestly, not messing about, big full-on blown argument over 50 pence. That's the reality, but you won't let that in. They'll go cut that out. 50 pence.